10,000 peacemakers.
Okay.
They are going to practice transcendental meditation together and advanced techniques of the Siddhi program that Maharishi Mahesh Yogi has initiated and taught in the world. And together they will create a global effect to change collective consciousness and therefore create positivity in society.
Yeah.
And that's what we expect. We hope this will remain permanent and therefore the effect will be permanent.
Okay.
And with me here is Mona Cosman. We will both be co-moderating today's press conference. We are here to announce the assembly of
Categories, two general levels, which I like you to keep in mind. One is, does it work? And two, how does it work? Because these are the things that scientists want to know. You do something, does it work or it doesn't work? Once you know it works, then you want to understand how is it possible that it works. And in any scientific framework or scientific theory, these are the two things that scientists look for. The effect in the lab or in the human lab or whatever level of demonstration we are doing, and then how is it possible that it could work. Particularly in our case, where we are talking about something that on the surface level is intangible, which is consciousness. Because when we say we are looking at objects, we are looking at different aspects of reality, we see them through our senses, and we are sure everything exists as it is, as our senses show them to us.
Conflict. The first stage in the emergence of war is mounting tensions among rival factions in critical hotspots around the world, such as the Middle East. What has been the normal approach of dealing with this issue? Well, we can try to reduce the stress, reduce the tensions. That means eliminating factors like poverty, oppression, injustice, hatred, bigotry. We all
32 countries demonstrating scientifically proven technologies of consciousness that create peace not just for the individual but for the whole world. Wars begin in the minds of men. Hence, it is the minds of men that the defenses of peace must be constructed. This is the first sentence to the preamble of UNESCO's constitution.
Thank you very much, Ron. I'm really pleased. But also through specific Vedic technologies, transcendental meditation, TM Siddhi program, consciousness can turn within and experience this field of consciousness, the source of thought. We've had meditators describe their experiences of this field, and the words they've used are the absence of time, absence of space, absence of body sense. The experience of this field is a part of us that is outside of time. It's eternal. It's a part of us that's beyond the body. It's a part of us that pervades the universe. And this is a felt experience, and because it's a felt experience, we can see it in the brain. The brain I see as the interface. And by looking at changes in brain function, we get an indication of what's happening in consciousness. What we have here is the bottom is the time. We see that there's 10 columns, 10 seconds. The right side are 32 different points on the scale. And what we're seeing here is, this is the mind caught up in thinking. Notice what the brain waves are like. What's happening is they're very low frequency, they're very low amplitude, the frequency is very fast. Different parts of the brain are doing different things. Here we have the brain in the process of transcending. Notice how it's fundamentally different. First, the frequency of the brain waves are very slow. You can actually see them going up and down.